Okay, New York session done. Took one trade on SPX. No signal day today, but it's an outside day. Faked out the previous day high, faked out the previous day low, and then closed inside the range. Whenever that happens, I extend the outside day's peaks, and that becomes the range. Don't want to trade outside days until price gets to one side of that range. Higher time frame breakout levels are mostly bullish, so I had a bullish bias today. Peak biases are bullish as well, so was looking for low of the day buys. Coming into the session, I see that we are still trading inside of a range. Haven't broken out of the previous day high or previous day low, so we're still inside a daily range. Haven't broken out of the previous week high or previous week low. Still inside that weekly range, and so we are still trading inside the range cycles. So every day, every week, every month, the market behaves in the same way. It always starts inside of a range between the daily range, previous day high, previous day low. Market will trade between this range until at some point it will break out of that range and then build towards a swing point. And then at the peak of its swing point, it's going to fake out the previous peak. And that's the first sign of a reversal. But that reversal is not confirmed until it gets below the last breakout level. And once it gets below that last breakout level, I'll be looking for a full-on reversal to the opposite direction. And once it gets below the previous low, below that breakout level, the the market cycle repeats all over again. So this cycle repeats over and over and over again, every day, every week, every month. It always behaves in the same way. And so the whole idea of my trading is I need to identify where am I in these cycles. And because we haven't broken out of this daily range, haven't broken out of the weekly range, daily bar is an outside bar. I could see the last one of these sessions, the Asia session, traded inside. And so on the 8 hour, there's an inside bar. I extend the range, and we're still inside of a range. So lots of ranges, so it's easy for me to identify which cycle I'm in, range cycle, breakout cycles, or fake out cycles. I know I'm in a range cycle, and so I'm looking for range setups. Since I had a bullish bias, was looking for a fake out of the low, and that's exactly what happened. Price came down, faked out the previous H8 low, faked out the previous day low, and I wanted to enter a buy. But in order for me to enter a buy, I need the M15 traders on my side, needed price to get above the last bearish M15 breakout level, as well as the last H1 breakout level. So once this momentum bar faked out the H8 low, previous day low, as well as the M15 breakout level, I entered as price got above the H1 breakout level, one bar stop, and trying to take this up to the high of the range. So we're ranging on the daily, we're ranging on the weekly, but the monthly closed breakout. And here's the breakout level, and we're faking the previous week low above that breakout high. So whenever we do that, breaking out of the breakout high, and we're faking out a low above that, that's a breakout continuation. That tells me that the monthly peak is not locked in yet, and so I would expect price to continue the move up on the monthly. So so that's the reason why I took it. We're at a range, took it at the bottom. It's not looking good for me right now, but it's okay. I'll just see how it plays out. So this week has been kind of a frustrating week. Lots been taking trades, but lots of break-even trades. There's a Monday I didn't take a trade at all. It's super rare for me when that happens. My whole philosophy in trading is that when I'm looking at a chart, I want to be paid every minute that I'm staring at a chart. So it's really rare when I don't take a trade in for a whole day. But that's just how the market's been moving. Lots of reversals and moves that aren't really playing out. I think I only took one trade, if I'm not mistaken, only one that worked out. This EJ one was aiming down here, but when it got stuck at that fake out level, I took profit there. And everything else did not fully go. And so that's just how it is with trading. You just can't, you just can't lose your head with it. And so every day is a new day. It's not looking good for me, but since I'm trading on the monthly, this monthly, I fully expect pullbacks and things like that. So it'd be great if it just went straight up, but when you're trading higher time frame setups, I 100% expect these deeper pullbacks multiple times before it'll finally get to where I would like it to go. But yeah, it's okay. Just leave it. I'm gonna head to bed. Not gonna go break even or anything. I'm just gonna let it go, and that's it. Took that SPX. Did not trade NAS. I wanted to take a short on NAS. It's a bearish breakout day. 8:30 was looking for a move up to fake out the high. Didn't fake out the high of the new H8 bar. It did fake out the first hour, but I don't trade first hour. And so was waiting for another fake out. Didn't do that. Came down, and then I was waiting for it to fake out the previous day low so I can take a counter trend trade, but it didn't do that either. So no trades for me on NAS and US 30 close as an inside day. Inside days, I don't touch them until it gets to the edges, and it hasn't touched the edge yet. So that's why I focus on SPX, and let's see if I'll survive this or not. Gold didn't see anything. It was mixed bias on gold, and oil I also didn't wasn't really paying attention to oil. Yeah, I was looking for low of the day buys, and yeah, so it didn't set up for me. Did my forex pairs? Didn't really look at them. Yeah, nothing that I see immediately. Yen, this was annoying. I was looking for. Took a short on, was it UJ? I think I took a short on UJ. I always forget my trades. Once I take them, I forget about them immediately after they're completed. So I think I took UJ today. Didn't go all the way. Came back up. Got in break even. Um, and saw this move, but it's before my session, and I wanted to get a deeper pullback to take it up, but it moved up before I was ready to take it. So, and I don't trade first hour. Usually, I don't trade the first hour, so I did not get take these yen moves. But yeah, these were nice moves. Um, did not take that, and did not see anything on the USD pairs either. Let's see. Yeah. So only took SPX. Again, not looking good, taking a lot of heat, but it's okay. I'll just let it go and see how it is tomorrow morning, and that's it.